along the borderline is surely like this. Approaching of a UMC is purely hypeness. So I mention it again and again.
It's not necessary.
Those who comprehend my message very clearly, but not along the way of translucent. Throw your hands up for the man's up. Who sit invaders on my fruit basket to a casket, meaning done away.
See the flocks run away.
So as a UMC, I ask myself, who could be the leaders, resembling the stars out of fall?
Well, it's you, Haj G.
And that's to find the coolness in me. At a whim, who would freeze blue cheese? Spin a 360 on a runway stop, and hear many more than just one sip. UNIDRSAL.
Go on.
Cause we gave them all one thought to grow on.
My method is apparent. I see clearly this world's transparent. So I'll reach down deep, deliver salvation to the hands of the weak, the meek, the mild, then tame the wild. Cause that's how I'm styled, the wizard of rhyme. My symbol is AU, and layman's term goes, so watch me shine through. A new zoo review coming right at you, and you, Kim is coming through. I go on because my strength is that of two. If rhymes are both, the beat must be my crew. A mental ingredient, all of which is alarming, not harming, better said disarming. Yes, I disarm ya, I neutralize your weaponry to make it more appropriate to deal with me, and then I give you one to grow on.
I think that I can express it better.